Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by hunting the space docker spawn and preparing transport. Drive or fly immediately to known spawn zones. This minimizes random despawn. Once there, park nearby but not on the spawn point so you can check repeatedly without blocking it. Make sure you carry cash or a tow service option for quick retrieval and have a garage space ready. You do this because the vehicle despawns fast. Being prepared saves time and prevents losing the target when it appears. Once the space docker is located, secure it quickly. Hooking it to a tow truck prevents collision damage and preserves its unique mods. You should also clear the area of NPCs and switch to a low-profile approach because police spawns and traffic increase the risk of losing the car. Make sure to drive steady. Sudden impacts can glitch or destroy the vehicle. When you reach your garage, save immediately. Storing the car registers ownership and prevents future despawning or mission loss. Final steps: customize and permanently store the space docker. At Los Santos Customs or your personal garage, add a tracker and insurance so you can call it back if lost. You want permanence. Upgrade or save its unique cosmetics, then confirm the vehicle is listed in your garage. If the space docker disappears, try a quick reload of the session or autosave. Once done, revisit known spawn points after clearing nearby traffic. This troubleshooting tip fixes most missing vehicle issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.